Hey guys, welcome to my Christmas day in the life. In this day in the life, you will see me do my daily duties that I have to do for the day, but also you will see us do some Christmas activities, watch Christmas movies, make hot cocoa and cookies, and all the good Christmas stuff. So I'm starting off my morning by brushing my teeth, washing my face, getting myself together for the day. Now that I've done my morning routine, I am going to turn on the Christmas tree and turn on the garland. And usually I will change the little number thing right there that shows you how many days left to Christmas. But my husband had did it the night before already. So this is how I'm starting on my morning. Next, I am going to take Bella out for her morning bathroom break. She's been in her kennel all night and it's time for her to use the bathroom. And I'm also going to feed her. And now I have to fix my tree skirt because when you're a dog mom, as you can tell, dogs like to mess with stuff like that. So I have to continuously fix that. But maybe I should move her dog food bowl somewhere else. Maybe that's the reason why she's doing that. But yeah, I am feeding Bella her dog food. Now I'm clearing off the countertops from the night before, and my kids are going to make breakfast. And so this morning they decided to eat cereal. Sometimes they eat French toast sticks, waffles. Sometimes I make them breakfast, but this morning they wanted cereal, and I was okay with that. And as you can see, my son, I guess he was feeling festive, and he wanted to put on the Santa Claus hat, but his head was just too big.
Then you know it's Christmas when the snow starts to fall. Then you know it's Christmas for the children above all. Then you know it's Christmas 'cause Santa's on his way. We're standing under.
Later on during the day, I made some lunch and I made some Philly cheesesteaks, and they were so bomb.
Times we witness forever stays with us.
Then a little bit later on, we went to Dollar General to get some things for our movie night. We needed marshmallows and hot cocoa. We didn't feel like going into Walmart, so we went to Dollar General. Then after that, we went to the lakefront, which is in my city, and they have like a park, and they had like Christmas lights and stuff. And me and the kids decided to go and visit that and look at the beautiful lights. And y'all, it was so windy and like so cold. Like a cold front was like coming through. So we were a little bit uncomfortable with the coldness. But once we got to the play area, I guess, that kind of like blocked a little bit of the wind and it wasn't so bad. So the kids are playing at this park that's by the lakefront, by the beach. And it's called Millennium Park, and a lot of kids likes to come here and play. They have like a big old castle and a lot of slides. They have a little play area for little bitty infants and stuff. So yeah, so we are enjoying this festive little outing that did not cost us any money, and the kids really enjoyed themselves. We had fake snow. It does not snow out here in South Louisiana, so the kids really did enjoy this fake snow. And then it was cold outside, so it really did give us like snowy vibes, Christmassy vibes, and the kids had so much fun. We're going to go back probably on Christmas Eve. Now we are going to bake our holiday gingerbread cookies, and we got this little kit from Walmart. It's a great value and it was very inexpensive. I want to say it was like $5, and it come with two little icings. It only come with two icings, so you might have to add like different icings, like other colors of icing if you want to like have more colors than green and white. But that it came with green and white icing, and it came with the gingerbread mix, and we had to add butter to it, I think honey and water, and that's it. And like I said, the kit was very inexpensive. It was like $5 at Walmart, and it was the Great Value brand.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree.
So this cookie dough can be a little bit hard to work with, but I did read online with the reviews, and they did say that you need to chill the dough in the refrigerator for at least an hour, and that makes it so much easier for you to roll it out. So while we are rolling out our dough and cutting out our cookies, I'm going to give you guys a scripture for this video, and this video scripture comes from Isaiah 9:6, and it says, "For to us a child is born, to us a son is given, and the government will be on his shoulders, and he will be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, and Prince of Peace." And I thought that this scripture goes really good with Christmas, because the true meaning of Christmas is just celebrating the birth of Christ. And, you know, that's why I love Christmas so much, because it celebrates the birth of Christ, and we get to another excuse to celebrate him. And I know a lot of people like to have gifts and stuff like that, but that's not really what Christmas is about. It's about, you know, appreciating God for sending his son to die on the cross. And, you know, that's why, one of the reasons why I love Christmas. So that is this video scripture.
Symbol of goodwill and love, you'll ever be unchanging. Each shining light, each silver bell, no one alive spreads cheer so well. Oh, Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging.
So now the kids are decorating their gingerbread cookies. We had different Christmas cutouts. We didn't have the gingerbread ones, but it still worked out fine. Now, while the kids are decorating their cookies, I am going to light up my teapot with water in it and let it get hot so that we can make our hot cocoa next.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride snow in one horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails.
So I did not want any hot cocoa, but the kids did, so I am making theirs. And it is very, very hot. But I'm going to add some marshmallows on top of that. They love the marshmallows on top of their hot cocoa.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh,
Now I'm giving the kids their hot cocoa. We are on the sofa. We got our little fake fireplace going. We got our Christmas lights on. And we are going to watch a movie and have a nice family movie night.
oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the
And we watched a movie that I saw online that everyone was talking about, and it's called Dashing Through the Snow, and it's on Disney Plus, and it stars Ludacris, the rapper. He's in it. So the movie was okay, and as you can see, look at him. Can't hang. But that'll be all for today's video, you guys. Thank you for tuning in for this Christmas day in the life. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. And Merry Christmas.
it is to ride